We did it again. Today, I am not going to surprise you with some overseas dish. This is very basic. Everybody loves cod fish, breaded fish, but we're not going to bread it. Remember that. Okay, so I have 4 frozen codfish. You can do with the catfish, salmon, you know, whatever, just fish fillet. Just make sure they are drained and you paper towel pet dry, so they are dry. And the next one, I'm going to season it. And in order for my season to stick, I have to oil my fish first, so it will stick. We can't really do a dry rub on the fish. Fish has no fat, not like meat. So, okay, so this is very easy meal. And when you get home, take your shoes off. Just take your fish out and bread it, and you cook it in the air fryer, or you can bake it in the oven, whatever you like. So, again, keto, so no breading. Our breading is shredded Parmesan, and some of them like a hard cheese, some of them are the dusted Parmesan. So it makes it crispy outside, okay? And here's our seasoning that I have: paprika, smoked paprika, then pepper, hot peppercorn, salt, and garlic and onion powder, like maybe half a teaspoon each. So now we're going to spread this babies, our seasoning, okay, and just do it randomly. Doesn't have to be, you know, covered all over, but it's gonna be like a barbecue codfish. How about that? Actually, I never tried that barbecue. This is gonna give a barbecue flavor. Smoked paprika, guys. Okay, so I'm probably gonna need more olive oil. I ran out. So I'm gonna just drizzle. This is why I don't use the bottle, because I use too much. Okay, just pat him. Okay, so now we're going to dip him in our breading, which is only a cheese. No flour whatsoever. I don't want to ever gain all the pounds that I lost, okay? So, and then we can put some more on it. As you can see, it looks already delicious. We can tell that we didn't use bread. So I use pretty much half a cup shredded and 1/4 cup of dusted. Now we're going to put some more cheese so it will melt while it's getting baked or air fried, and it's gonna be delicious as usual. I never cook bad food, never ever. I can't say I have. I know I purchased bad food and threw them in garbage. I spit it out. I said, what the shit is this? I never wanna go through again, so I learned how to make my own food, like I'm showing you guys. Okay, now our breaded cod is ready to go in air fryer for temperature 375, 380, and probably gonna be about 10 minutes. You just check 8 minutes, check if it's brown, flip them over. So I'm going to put them on very top. Only my problem is my paper sticking out. Sometimes it catches fire. So make sure your paper is tucked in, because air fryer blow a lot of air. Okay, our Abra, our codfish. Ooh, nice. You don't have to go to seafood restaurant to have this. Okay, here it is, guys. Our non-breaded, but breaded codfish, air-fried codfish. And we have, we made a bed with the arugula, lemons, and tomatoes. So you can squeeze the lemon, and as you can see, nice and crispy outside. And it's gonna be, you hear that? Crispy, super crispy outside because we use the Parmesan. Okay? Bon appetit to me.